The enemies have come to destroy your house. Stop them.
Get ready with spears. Are the archers ready? Oh Master, we are ready to attack. There is no one in the city, everyone is hiding in the mountains.
Then what are you waiting for? Attack.
Merciful Lord, accept the prayer of Abdul-Muttalib. At the same time when Abraha ordered the attack on the Kaaba, at the same time a large number of birds flew towards Mecca. Each bird reached on the head of Abraha's army, clutching stones in its beak and claws.
Abdullah, look around you, and tell me, what did you see? Would you believe that a large number of humans worship water, leaves, earth, stones, sun, moon and stars instead of God alone? Various incidents took place on the occasion of the birth of last messenger of Allah, who was against polytheism and oppression. In Iran, ancient religions had a large number of followers of Zoroastrianism. A fire has been burning in a fireplace for 1,000 years.
O Ahur, make the real prosperity and success visible so I can show it to others. Oh, what happened? Oh my Lord, the sacred fire has extinguished.
Astronomers have quoted from the Psalms, the holy book of Prophet David, saying that they wish to live so long as to see the appearance of this great prophet. A big event is about to happen.